Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TMX token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, TMX is the native token powering the Tribe Perpetual, a decentralized derivatives exchange on Ethereum L2, Arbitrum and Optimism, designed for efficient, secure and scalable futures trading. TMX is the native token of Tribe Perpetual, a decentralized exchange for perpetual futures built on Ethereum L2 or Arbitrum and Optimism. The platform enables low-cost, fast and secure trading while giving users full custody of their assets according to website. Trader can access up to 30x leverage, automated strategies, and multi-tier rewards, while liquidity providers benefits from passive income models, dynamic fees distribution, and governance rights. TMX power trading rewards and community-driven protocol development. TMX project institution rating is 3. TMX token total supply is 20 million and circulating supply is around 517.85 thousand. TMX token is listed on MEX, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.